please don't be mad. I know that it ain't.
So we are grateful to God na finally nasugdan na nato ang first session there is Nieves National High School, there is sa Samal. And today, nagkaroon ta og una nga session which is the hashtag relationship goals. Nagpasalamat ta nga kani nga session gina-emphasize nato sa mga kabataan na kung doon naman sila'y relationship na dapat mas masabtan is ang ilahang relationship sa Ginoo.
So if you want to love the right way, you need to establish the first relationship, the real relationship goal. Yung relationship kanino? Kay Jesus.
This program is very essential to our grade 8 students. Just this morning, nakita ko yung raising their hands na they have problems na na-experience nila nga hindi maganda. So through this program, they have realized na they are not alone.
And don't forget you're not alone. The Holy Spirit wants to guide you on.
Hindi ko alam kung gaano kalalim yung pinagdadaanan mong sakit ngayon. Pero ano sabi dito, we will never recover unless we forgive. Sabi nga dito, forgiveness will not change the past. Nangyari na yun eh. Wala na tayong magagawa doon. But you know what? But when we forgive, it will and it does enlarge our future. Nung na-experience ko at nakita ko yung turo about love, alam niyo yung meaning ng love na paulit-ulit na sinasabi ko, meron pinaguhugutan yun. Meron tinatawag na author ng love. Si God.
New life, your love is my new life.
So thankful kay ko ani nga event no kay I have learned nga ang love is a relationship between God and you. So without a love, wala ka diri karon sa kalibutan. Because of Jesus sacrifice himself nga aron maluwas ta. So nganong nag-sacrifice siya? It's because of love. So Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through Him.
Ang mga struggles sa mga youth today is academic pressure and depression. And important ang program karon na hashtag not alone because it can help us open up about our problems and life to our ates and kuyas.
Yung programang ito, whatever you are going through, we want to assure you that you will not be alone. So sabihin mo sa katabi mo, hindi ka nag-iisa.
So para sa tanan na ito nga volunteers, tungod kay kabalumi nga dili ni siya sayon para sa inyo ha, in terms of your schedule, in terms of your priorities, but you are here with us and willing kayo mo nga mo journey sa ato ang mga kabataan. We thank you so much. Sa atong mga estudyante, na-appreciate po namo ang inyong excitement na maka-attend sa ato ang first session. Expect more ani nga program tungod kay daghan pa mi pwede i-share sa inyo ha. By the grace of God, magkita-kita ta usab. Lord willing sa January, mauna ang ato ang second session.